Hello everybody, today's tutorial is about controlling the LED segment display, and we just need Arduino UNO R3 board, breadboard, 1000 ohm resistor, 2-point wires, and 5611AH digital tube. This is the common cathode digital tube. Why do I emphasize that this is the common cathode digital tube? Because inside of this digital tube is actually composed of several small LEDs. And the cathodes of the small LEDs inside are connected together, so we call it the digital tube of common cathode. In the same way, we call the one with connected anodes inside the common anode digital tube. Whether it is a common cathode or a common anode digital tube, the driving method is similar, and today we're going to talk about the common cathode digital tube. Each digital tube can be seen as consisting of 8 LEDs, and their arrangement in the digital tube is shown as in the figure. By lightening different LEDs, the digital tube can display different numbers or letters. The actual products of digital tube have already led the pin of each controlled LED. There is a corresponding LED label on each pin. The middle 2 pins are the common ends, which are also the ground end of the LED. This is the schematic diagram of the digital tube. See the actual digital tube, just as the same we showed before. It is a common cathode one. Put it on the breadboard and test it with a multimeter. Switch to the LED test and connect the black test pen to the common end to test respectively. We can see that the corresponding LEDs are on, and we know this module works well. So how to make it display numbers or letters? You may already know. For example, if we want the digital tube to display 1, then we just need to light up the LEDs number B and C. Display number 2, then just need to light up A, B, G, E, and D. The others are the same. Now connect the experimental circuit. Look at the code. First, to define the pins that control these 8 LEDs. Then, define the LEDs that needed to be lit by the numbers 0 to 9. In the loop function, the numbers 0 to 9 are displayed every 1 second. Select the board and port, then upload to the Arduino. Look, now we have successfully driven the digital tube. Is it very simple? This is actually controlling the LED segment display. Okay, this is all for the tutorial. See you next time.